Hi everyone. Hi guys. This is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. We all are here for a better future. So, how are you all? And how you guys enjoyed your Holi? How was your Holi? कैसे हैं आप लोग एंड कैसे सेलिब्रेट की आप लोगों ने होली? So today we are here to discuss the 2-month strategy of the chapter Analysis of Financial Statement. आज हम अपने 2-month strategy plan करने वाले हैं for the chapter Analysis of Financial Statement. So if you guys are new to this channel, Vedantu Commerce, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and also do like this video and do share this with your friends. And I hope that all of you have now registered for vote. अब सब लोग vote के लिए तैयार है and many of you have already voted yesterday. So how many of you have given a vote yesterday? किस किसने कल vote दिया था? अगर नहीं दिया, then you have still a chance to vote on 4th April, on 11th April or 18th April. Those who have not yet appeared for vote, don't worry, you can still participate in vote on any of these 3 following days. And ये सिर्फ exam नहीं है, ये हमारा comeback है. Because 2020 has affected our learning badly. So now it's time to make a comeback with Vedantu Online Talent Exam, which is V.O.T.E. And with the help of V.O.T.E, you all can get all India rank. And this is free exam. बिल्कुल फ्री एग्जाम है, कोई फीस नहीं देनी है आपको, कोई रजिस्ट्रेशन चार्जेस नहीं देने. दिस इज ऑल फ्री. सो इफ यू वांट to win all India rank, if you want to get guaranteed scholarship, if you want to win daily and weekly exciting prizes, or if you want to be the CEO of Vedantu, then you all have to register yourself for V.O.T.E so that you all can get a chance to win these exciting prizes. And with the help of this, you can also win a trip to NASA. तो जिन्होंने अभी तक रजिस्टर नहीं किया है वो जल्दी से जाके रजिस्टर करें ताकि आप लोग सारे के सारे एक्साइटिंग प्राइजेस जीत पाएं, लाइक drone, mobile phone, watch, laptop. You can win all these exciting prizes. So how to vote? Let me tell you. You have to go to the link that is given below and then you will enter all your details like name, grade, board and target. Then you will register yourself and your voter ID will be generated. Then you have to select your voting days कि कौन से दिन आपको vote देना है. And then it's all done. So go and register yourself now. If you don't have complete knowledge about V.O.T.E, don't worry. सारी की सारी information हमारी application पे, mobile app पे और हमारी website पे given है. So you can either download the app or you can visit this link. So what is the format? How this exam paper will be conducted? कैसे ये exam होने वाला है? How many subjects will be there? Let's understand. So total there will be 3 subjects: accounts, business studies and economics. Every subject will have 30 questions. So total questions will be 90. For every right answer you will get 4 marks. For every wrong answer there will be negative marking. So हमें हर आंसर सोच समझ के देना है क्योंकि हर गलत जवाब के 1 मार्क्स कट जाएंगे. And the time duration will be 90 minutes. So this is how your exam format will be. Now बहुत सारे बच्चे अकेले नहीं देना चाहते वोट. They don't want to play it alone. They want to participate with friends. So here is your squad. You can also create your own squad with your friends and you can together win big prizes. So if you want to play along with your friends, create your squad right now to win exciting big prizes. So go and register yourself now for vote if you want to win all these exciting prizes and if you want to be the CEO of Vedantu for one day. Now, as you all know, this is class 12th accountancy session in which we are going to discuss our 2-month strategy. And now we have only 1 month. अब हमारे पास सिर्फ 1 महीना बचा है. तो हमें अब कौन से चैप्टर्स करने हैं, कितना टाइम उन्हें देना है. I am here to tell you the strategy for the next few days. So guys, if you are new to our channel, then go and subscribe to our channel right now. And this is your schedule for today. So after my session, you will be having your economics class with Neha Ma'am at 7 p.m. So don't forget to like this video and share this with your friends. Or if you want the notes of the upcoming session, then you can join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. The link of Telegram group is also given in the description box below. Now, if you guys want to score more than 95 in the boards exam, then you have to watch this session till the end. आपको ये end तक देखना पड़ेगा because I am going to tell you how you have to prepare for the chapter analysis of financial statement. So, we are here to solve all your doubts. If you have any doubt related to any of the chapter, then you can drop all your doubts in the comments box below. We will be answering all your doubts. तो चलिए अब आज की क्लास को शुरू किया जाए and देखते हैं कि आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं. So today I am going to tell you the strategy for analysis of financial statement. This chapter is of 6 marks. One comprehensive question will come of 4 marks. एक बड़ा सा क्वेश्चन आएगा 4 नंबर का and 2 1-mark question will be asked. So 2 1-mark question will be asked and 1 4-mark question will be asked. Now this is a particular unit which is further divided into 2 chapters. Analysis of financial statement में we have 2 chapters. One is comparative statement, second we have common size statement. इस पर्टिकुलर यूनिट में आपके पास 2 चैप्टर्स हैं, एक है कंपैरेटिव स्टेटमेंट, एक है कॉमन साइज स्टेटमेंट. नाउ हाउ मेनी डेज वी नीड टू कंप्लीट दिस चैप्टर एंड हाउ मेनी टॉपिक्स वी हैव टू कवर. सो लेट्स सी दैट. हाय कोविड, you need only 2 days to complete this chapter. हमें 2 दिन चाहिए इस चैप्टर को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. And what we will cover in these 2 days? So, on first day, you will do the objectives of comparative statement and common size statement. क्योंकि in 1-mark question, the examiner will definitely going to ask you the objective of these statement. So, you have to learn at least 3 points of the objective. You will learn objectives of comparative statement and objectives of common size statement. Then you have to do the difference between comparative and common size statement. Hi Ujjwal. Then you will do, on second day, you will do comprehensive sum of both chapter. Or what you can do is, on first day, you can do the first complete comparative chapter. On first day, we will do comparative statement. And on second day, we will do common size statement. So we will divide these 2 chapters in 2 days. On first day, you will do the complete chapter comparative statement of P&L, comparative balance sheet and the objectives of comparative statement. And on next day you will do common size statement. common size statement of P&L, common size balance sheet, and objectives of common size statement. So this particular unit is to be covered in 2 days. पहले दिन हम करेंगे comparative, दूसरे दिन हम करेंगे common size. And this entire unit is of 6 marks. And it is very easy to score 6 out of 6 in this particular unit because इस यूनिट में हमें सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन करनी होती है. यू हैव टू फोकस ओनली ऑन कैलकुलेशन पार्ट इन दिस चैप्टर. नाउ we are going to revise the format of all these statements. We will revise today the format of comparative statement of P&L, comparative balance sheet, common size statement of P&L, and common size balance sheet. And we will solve one question of both. So now I request you to be very attentive so that you can score 6 out of 6 in this particular chapter. तो चलिए अब शुरू करते हैं इस क्लास को. फर्स्ट मूविंग टू द फॉर्मेट ऑफ कंपैरेटिव स्टेटमेंट ऑफ P&L. सो एज यू ऑल नो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ स्टेटमेंट ऑफ P&L. स्टेटमेंट ऑफ P&L का फॉर्मेट क्या है? इट इज revenue from operation plus other income. You will get total revenue. Then from total revenue you will subtract total expenses, after which you will get profit before tax. From profit before tax you will subtract tax to get the amount of profit after tax. This schedule, this format of P&L we have already covered in the previous session. जो कल वाली क्लास थी उसमें हमने यही डिस्कस किया था. If you guys have not watched the previous session, then don't worry, you can see our recorded session on the channel. Now, this is the format of statement of P&L only. What is the format of comparative statement of P&L? So, after writing this format, you will create 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will create 4 columns. In first column, you will note down the amount of previous year. In first column, you will write down previous year balances, previous year amount. In second column, you will write down current year balances. So in second column, we will write down current year amount. In third column, you will write down absolute change. And in fourth column, you will write down percentage change. So first column, previous year amount. Second column, current year amount. Third column, absolute change. And fourth column, percentage change. Now the previous year amount and current year amount, these both the amount will be given in the question. It will be given in the question. So what you have to do, you have to just copy and paste. You will see from the question paper and you will write it down here. Now coming on to the third column, absolute change. So how you will find out absolute change? Name these columns as A, B, C and D. Name these columns as A, B, C, D. A is previous year amount, B is current year amount, C is absolute change, D is percentage change. To find out absolute change, the formula is B minus A. The formula to find out absolute change is B minus A, which is current year minus previous year. From current year balances, आप लोग minus कर दोगे, you will subtract previous year balances. So absolute change, your C is equal to B minus A, which is current year amount minus previous year amount. This is how you will calculate absolute change. Now coming on to the percentage change. The last D we have percentage change. How you will find out percentage change? The formula is C divided by A multiplied by 100, which is absolute change divided by previous year amount multiplied by 100. So percentage change is equal to absolute change divided by previous year amount multiplied by 100. So this is the format of comparative statement of P&L. We will create total 4 columns, out of which 2 will be given in the question paper. Previous year amount and current year amount आपको question में given होगी. Then absolute change is equal to B minus A or current year minus previous year. Then last is D percentage change, which is equal to C divided by A multiplied by 100 or absolute change divided by previous year amount multiplied by 100. Hi Krishna, it will be starting from 1st April. The new batches for class 12 will be starting from 1st April on Vedantu platform. So this is the format of comparative income statement or comparative statement of P&L. And let me tell you that the format of comparative balance sheet is same as comparative income statement. So whether it is comparative statement of P&L or whether it is comparative balance sheet, the format of both are exactly same. दोनों का format क्या है? Same है. So now we are done with the format of comparative income statement. So next we have format of comparative balance sheet. Now, as I have told you, it is exactly same as the comparative income statement. So you can see again there are 4 columns. A is equal to previous year amount, B is equal to current year, C is equal to absolute change, and D is equal to percentage change. So let me show you. Now you can see A, B, C, D. The format is exactly same. Only the particulars part will change. In particulars, now you will write down your current assets, current liability, non-current assets, or non-current liability. So चाहे वो comparative balance sheet हो या फिर वो comparative statement of P&L हो, दोनों का format क्या होता है? Same होता है. You will calculate absolute change in the same manner. C is equal to B minus A, current year minus previous year. Similarly, you will calculate D, your percentage change, C divided by A multiplied by 100. Current year, absolute change divided by previous year multiplied by 100. So, now we are done with the chapter comparative statement. We have done comparative income statement. We have done comparative balance sheet. So now it's time to, let's see an example. It's time to solve an example so that we can apply this knowledge to a practical question. So in the question given below, you are required to prepare comparative balance sheet. हमें क्या बनाना है? Comparative balance sheet बनानी है. So we will create 4 columns. First will be previous year. So in the question you can see that current year is given first and previous year is given later. So many of the students will note it down as it is. बहुत सारे बच्चे ये गलतियां करते हैं, वो as it is figures को note down कर लेंगे. But as we all know, in the format, the first column is previous year amount. So you will first write down previous year and then you will write down current year. So make sure you are writing the previous year first and then current year. बिकॉज बहुत सारे बच्चे जल्दी जल्दी में as it is copy करेंगे and everything will become wrong. So first we will write down previous year amount and second we will write down current year amount. Then third we will calculate absolute change. So we are coming to the answer directly. You can see A is equal to previous year, B is equal to current year. These figures are copied from the question. We have just copy and paste these figures from the question. ये हमने कहीं से calculate नहीं किया. We have done nothing in these column. We have just copy and pasted them. Now, once you copy and paste these two columns, hi Ritesh, the third column C is absolute change. And we have to calculate it because it will not be given in the question. So how we will calculate absolute change? Who is going to tell me? Tell me how you guys will calculate absolute change. कैसे हम लोग absolute change calculate करेंगे? Let's see who is going to answer this. How you guys will calculate absolute change? Come on, I am waiting for your answers. अरे बताओ absolute change को कैसे calculate करोगे? No one is going to answer. Very bad. Okay, so absolute change C is equal to B minus A or current year minus previous year. So 350 minus 3 lakh. 350 minus 3 lakh, it will be 50,000. Then 1 lakh minus 2 lakh. 1 lakh minus 2 lakh, it will be negative 1 lakh. It will be negative 1 lakh. 150 minus 1 lakh, it will be 50,000. Then you will do the total. After calculating the absolute change of every liability, you will do the total. So total of both current year and previous year is same. Current year का भी total क्या है 6 lakh और previous year का total भी क्या है 6 lakh. So your absolute change will be nil and your percentage change will be nil. Hi Ritesh, I am teaching accountancy to class 12th. Then you will calculate fixed assets. So 4 lakh minus 3 lakh, absolute change will be 1 lakh. 2 lakh minus 3 lakh. 2 lakh minus 3 lakh, it will be negative 1 lakh. It will be negative 1 lakh. So if the figures are negative, you will write it in the bracket. अगर कोई figure negative आती है तो हम उसको किस में लिखेंगे? Brackets में. So this is how you will calculate absolute change. B minus A or current year minus previous year. Now the last column is percentage change. Now we have to calculate percentage change. Percentage change कैसे calculate करेंगे? The formula is C divided by A multiplied by 100. So 50,000 divided by 3 lakh multiplied by 100. 50,000 absolute change divided by previous year 3 lakh multiplied by 100. 0 to 0 cancel. 0 to 0 cancel. It is 50 divided by 3. So your percentage will be 16.67%. Similarly, for long-term borrowing, absolute change divided by previous year. So 1 lakh divided by 2 lakh multiplied by 100. 0 to 0 cancel. 100 divided by 2, it will be 50%. And the most important thing, if your absolute change is negative, अगर आपका absolute change negative है, then your percentage change will also be negative. And similarly, you will calculate all the percentage change. Absolute change divided by previous year amount multiplied by 100. Absolute change divided by previous year amount multiplied by 100. So this question will come for 4 marks in your board's exam. And see how easy it is. You have to just do calculation. हमें कोई भी फॉर्मूला नहीं लगाना, हमें कोई भी ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना, कुछ याद नहीं करना, सिर्फ हमें क्या करनी है, कैलकुलेशन करनी है. And I hope being a commerce student you can do calculations easily. So now one chapter is completed, your comparative statement is completed. Now we will move to the common size statement. So first we have format of common size statement of P&L. अभी हमने comparative किया, अब हम क्या करेंगे, common size. So what is the format of common size statement of P&L? So let's see the format. In comparative statement, there were 4 columns. Here also there will be 4 columns. Comparative statement में 4 column थे, यहाँ पर भी 4 column होंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4. In comparative, the first column was previous year amount. It is same here. Second column was current year amount. Here it is also current year, so it is also same. But in comparative statement, the third column was for absolute change. In comparative statement, we used to calculate absolute change. But in the common size statement, absolute change is not calculated. Hi IZ Gaming. So यहाँ पर in common size, you will not calculate absolute change. You will only calculate percentage change of both the year. यहाँ पर हम only क्या calculate करेंगे, percentage change. You will calculate percentage change for both previous year and current year. So in common size statement, absolute change is not calculated. So this is the format of common size income statement. A, previous year. B, current year. C, previous year percentage. D, current year percentage. There will be 4 columns. First for current year. First for previous year. Second for current year. Third and fourth both will be for percentage. Now, how we are going to calculate these percentages? हम इन percentage को कैसे calculate करेंगे? So when it comes to common size income statement, you have to take revenue from operation as base. When it comes to common size statement of P&L, we have to take revenue from operation as base. So the percentage of this will be 100. The percentage of revenue from operation will be 100. इसकी percentage क्या होगी? 100. And percentage for rest of the item will be calculated by keeping this as base. जब भी आप किसी और item की percentage calculate करोगे, आप किसको base लोगे? Revenue from operation को. So when we will calculate the percentage of other income, the formula will be other income divided by revenue from operation multiplied by 100. Every single item you will divide by revenue from operation because The base is revenue from operation. So other income divided by revenue from operation multiplied by 100. Cost of material consumed divided by revenue from operation multiplied by 100. Purchase of stock in trade divided by revenue from operation multiplied by 100. Employee benefit expense, finance cost, depreciation, everything divide by revenue from operation multiplied by 100. Profit before tax divide by revenue from operation multiplied with 100. So each and every single item will be divided by revenue from operation and you will multiply by 100 to calculate the percentage. So for example, it is 10 lakh, it is 15 lakh. Other income is 2 lakh and 3 lakh. So for the percentage of previous year, you will divide 2 lakh by 10 lakh and multiplied with 100. For percentage of current year, you will divide current year other income 3 lakh by 15 lakh and you will multiply with 100. So हर आइटम को किससे डिवाइड करेंगे? रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन से. And this is only done in common size statement of P&L. So in common size income statement, we will take revenue from operation as base. And the percentage of this will be 100. And the percentage of all the remaining items will be calculated by dividing it from revenue from operation and multiplying with 100. This is your common size income statement. Now, the next we have common size balance sheet. In comparative statement chapter, the format for both the statement for comparative P&L and for comparative balance sheet, the format for both statement was same in comparative chapter. But in common size chapter, the format for both common size statement of P&L, common size balance sheet, it is different. Comparative में format same होता है दोनों का, लेकिन यहाँ पर format will be different. So what is the format for common size balance sheet? Let's see the format. Again, there will be 4 columns. A, previous year amount. B, current year amount. Then you will calculate the percentage of both the year. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, format तो same है. वहाँ पर भी 4 column थे in income statement. And here also we have 4 column. First we have previous year amount. Then we have current year amount. Then we will calculate percentage for both current year and previous year. Now, what is the difference between common size income statement and common size balance sheet? So, the difference in both these statement is, in common size income statement, revenue from operation is taken as base. Common size statement of P&L में, we used to take revenue from operation as base. But in this statement, in common size balance sheet, you will take total assets and total liabilities as base. यहाँ पर revenue from operation is not there. So you can't take it as base in common size balance sheet. In common size balance sheet, you have to take total liabilities and total assets as base. So percentage of total assets and total liabilities will be 100. And when you will calculate the percentage of remaining item, you will divide each and every item by the total asset by total liability. अब आप किसी से भी divide कर सकते हो. You can either divide it by total asset or by total liability, because total assets are equal to total liability. So both will be same. Total liabilities भी 15 lakh होंगी. Total assets will be also 15 lakh. So you can divide it by any of the figure because both are same. So equity share capital divided by total liability multiplied by 100, you will get the percentage. Preference share capital divided by total liability multiplied by 100. Reserves in surplus divided by total liabilities multiplied by 100. Long-term borrowing divided by total liability multiplied by 100. Long-term provision divided by total liability multiplied by 100. Short-term borrowing, trade payable, other current liability, short-term provision, everything divided by total liability multiplied by 100, you will get the percentage. And same you will do for current year. So in common size balance sheet, we will take total assets or total liability as base. So percentage of total liability and total assets will be 100. And percentage of all the other item will be calculated by dividing it by total assets or total liability. So this is the format of common size balance sheet. Now I think that the difference is clear. In common size income statement, we take revenue from operation as base. But in common size balance sheet, we will take total assets or total liability as base. And the columns will remain same. The columns will remain same in both these statements. Ma'am, क्या पढ़ा रहे हो? Hi Anjali, I am teaching the chapter analysis of financial statement of class 12th accounts. Yes, Ritesh, it is of CBSE. So now we have covered the format of both common size statement, common size income statement and common size balance sheet. So now it's time to do one example. तो अब हम करेंगे एक क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस कॉमन साइज स्टेटमेंट. So here you have your question. From the following statement of P&L, you are required to prepare a common size statement. आपको common size statement of P&L बनाना है. So what is the format? In first column, you will write down previous year amount. So this is your previous year, 2014. Then in second column, you will write down your current year amount. So this is your current year, 2015. Then in third column, you will write down the percentage of previous year. And in fourth column, you will write down the percentage of current year. And the main thing, we will take revenue from operation as base. So percentage of this will be 100. So this is your answer. Revenue from operation is your base. So percentage will be 100. Now you will calculate the percentage of total revenue because other income is not given in the question. Other income is not given in the question. So total revenue, it will be equal to the revenue because other income is not there. तो अब हम total revenue की percentage निकालेंगे. Total revenue divided by revenue from operation multiplied by 100. 20 lakh divided by 20 lakh, it will be 100%. 25 lakh divided by 25 lakh, it will be 100%. Hi Ananya, yes, we will be covering cash flow also. Now, we will write the expenses individually. So, we have employee benefit expense. So, employee benefit expense 7 lakh divided by revenue from operation. So, 7 lakh divided by 20 lakh multiplied by 100. 0 to 0 cancel. It is 70 divided by 2. It will be 35%. Similarly, you will calculate current year percentage. 10 lakh divided by 25 lakh. So, 10 lakh divided by 25 lakh multiplied by 100. 0 to 0 cancel. 25 multiplied by 4. So, it is 40%. It is 40%. Then we will find out the percentage of other expenses. 3 lakh divided by 20 lakh multiplied by 100. 2 lakh divided by 25 lakh multiplied by 100, you will get the percentage. So in common size statement of P&L, we will divide each and every single item by revenue from operation, and you will multiply by 100 to calculate the respective percentage. So now you can calculate the percentage of profit before tax. 10 lakh divided by 20 lakh multiplied by 100. 13 lakh divided by 25 lakh multiplied by 100. And similarly, we will do for the rest of the item. बाकी सब item की भी percentage ऐसे ही calculate होगी. हर item को किससे divide करेंगे? Revenue from operation से और multiply करेंगे 100 से. Ritesh, it is CBSE Board. It is CBSE Board. So now tell me, is this question clear to everyone? If you guys have any doubt in this session, then you may ask in the chat box, in the comments box. So is this clear to everyone? Ananya, this is for 2020 to 21, yes. This session is for those students who are in class 12 and those will be moving to college now. Marketing, we have already done the partnership book. We have already covered that. If you want to see our session, then you can go to the channel and see our recorded classes. हम ऑलरेडी पार्टनरशिप कर चुके हैं, आप हमारी रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस देख सकते हैं. So now we have completed one another chapter. This is how you have to complete this chapter in your next few days, because now you have only 1 month. So आपको ये chapter 2 दिन में करना है. एक दिन हम करेंगे comparative statement और दूसरे दिन हम करेंगे common size statement. Okay, Ananya, welcome to our channel. If you have not subscribed our channel, then go and subscribe it. For other topics, if you want to see other classes, then you can see our recorded session. All the classes are available on our YouTube channel. So now we all are ready to go with the best grades. So do revise some other question from your textbook so that you can become a pro in this. And if you guys want to attend more such classes with us, then you can take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription, because in this you will be getting more than 2000 hours of live online classes. You can attend unlimited live classes with us of all these subjects, whether it is accounts, economics, mathematics, or any subject. Along with that, we are a pool of 10 plus teachers having more than 5 years of experience. And all these teachers will continuously focus on your weakness, on your areas of improvement. We will also conduct regular test series for you. We will provide you regular assignments. And the most important thing, all the classes will be conducted in English only. Ma'am, issue of debentures ho gaya hai. Yes, we are done with issue of debentures also. Ananya, ma'am, आपकी class कब होती है? Ananya, I am taking live classes at 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. If you are in class 11th, then you can join me at 4 p.m. And if you are in class 12, then you can join me at 6 p.m. So, the actual price of this pro subscription is 3499. This is the actual price. But don't worry, because we are providing this for only 2799. We are providing flat 20% discount right now to all these students. So if you want to grab, if you want to take this pro subscription at flat 20% discount, then you all may use my code SCPRO and enjoy all these benefits. Yes, daily basis. So, अगर आपको notes चाहिए of all these session, if you want to get the notes in the PDF form, then you all can join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. The link of this group is also given in the description box below. And if you guys are new to our channel, or if you are watching this face for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel Vedantu Commerce and make sure you like this session and you share this with your friends. So now see you all tomorrow at same time, 6 p.m. at same place. Till then, thank you for watching this session. So if you guys like this session, then please give it a big thumbs up. So bye guys. Thank you everyone for watching this session. Now, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. See you all tomorrow at 6 p.m. You're welcome, Ananya. Bye everyone.